How to send long videos in Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Pipin Basnet. Today I'll guide you on how you can send long videos on Messenger. As you know, if you try to send long videos on Messenger, then it'll say unable to send a video file this long or something like that. Now if I just open up Messenger and if I just open up a certain chat here, and if I head into gallery option and if I select a particularly long video, I don't have any long videos currently here. Now first it'll be sending, but and later it won't be sent. Now first things first, what you want to do is you want to first try and send that video, and if it gets sent then you don't have any problem. But if it says you can't send long videos, as you can see here, it's not being sent. So what you can do is, one way is you can edit it and you can crop it and send it, right? The other way, if you want to send the full length video, is you can head into your Google Drive on your device. You want to simply open up your Google Drive, and here what you want to do is you want to upload your video here. Simply tap on plus icon there and then simply tap on upload option and select the video here. And once you upload the particular video here, what you can do is you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the three dots there and simply tap on share, and you can copy link and you can share it to Messenger. I'll just tap on it and then tap on it and then tap on copy link option instead of share, and then simply head into Messenger and simply select the user that you wish to send, and you can send it and they'll be able to access your video through the Google Drive. So this is the only way you can send long videos in Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.